Okay, here we are, October 19th, 2023, and this is the Parking Lot Waterfall, and it was dry after 2 weeks of rain, but in the last 3 days we've had an atmospheric river come through from Hawaii, and it's been pouring rain as it is now. You can see so much rain it makes it look all misty and foggy, but this filled up the parking lot waterfall and now we have water. The ground is saturated and we should be, at least from now on, out of the fire danger, smoke danger, wildfire danger, and drought danger. So here we are, Parking Lot Waterfall overflowing. A lot of water coming down there from the Golden Ears Park, Maple Ridge, British Columbia, Canada. Okay, have a good day, have a good life. Over and out.